In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GCash Overseas. If you're traveling or living abroad and want to keep managing your money from your phone, the good news is that GCash can still work for you, as long as a couple of important conditions are met. First, make sure your GCash account is fully verified before you leave the Philippines. A verified account is essential to access all core features while you're abroad. You'll also need your account to remain connected to an active Philippine mobile number. That number is what GCash uses to send one-time passwords or OTPs for security checks, like logging in or confirming certain transactions. Keep your SIM active and able to receive texts, and if you use roaming, confirm with your mobile provider that SMS will work where you're going. Once those basics are covered, you can open the GCash app using Wi-Fi or mobile data from just about anywhere. You can check your balance, send money, pay bills, and manage your account just like you would at home. Using a stable internet connection helps the app load smoothly, and logging out when you're done is a good habit, especially on shared or unfamiliar networks. If you have a GCash Visa card, you can also use it for international purchases and cash withdrawals wherever Visa is accepted. This makes it convenient to pay at stores, restaurants, and online shops, or to withdraw local currency from ATMs. Treat the card like any other bank card, keep your PIN secure, and store the card safely. Some merchants or ATMs may prompt you to choose a currency. Selecting the local currency is often clearer, as the final exchange rate is typically handled by your card network. Do keep in mind that certain features may be limited depending on your location. Local regulations, partner availability, or security checks can affect what you see in the app. If a feature isn't available or the app asks for extra verification, that's normal when you're outside the country. Just be ready to receive and enter OTP codes sent to your registered Philippine number so you can complete sensitive actions. To recap, GCash remains accessible abroad if your account is fully verified and tied to an active Philippine mobile number. Use Wi-Fi or data to open the app, continue sending money, paying bills, and managing your account, and take advantage of the GCash Visa card for international purchases and withdrawals where Visa is accepted. With those essentials in place, you can stay on top of your finances confidently, even when you're far from home.